Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by positioning the first app into a tile. Hover or press and hold the green traffic light button until the left/right choices appear. Choose the side you want so the window snaps into that half of the screen. Once done, Mission Control will show available windows for the opposite side. Pick the second app or open it there. This method uses macOS window tiling rather than manual resizing, so spacing and focus stay consistent as you continue arranging your workspace. Now refine the split by dragging the vertical divider. You can adjust both app widths for your workflow and macOS snaps to sensible sizes to avoid unusable tiny panes. Make sure to use Command Tab to switch the active app in a pane without collapsing split view, and use trackpad gestures to move between desktops if you have multiple full-screen spaces. If an app won't resize, check its window constraints or use a different app window. Some apps block tiling by design, so choose another. To finish, exit split view by pressing ESC, clicking the green button again, or using Mission Control to return a window to its desktop. If things go wrong, an app won't snap or split view won't start, close and reopen that app because many issues are temporary and clear on relaunch. If the problem persists, sign out and back in or toggle display settings. Those steps reset window state. Finally, make sure macOS is up to date, as OS updates fix tiling and multi-display bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.